In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily create talking avatar that looks exactly like this. I'm just going to show you a DID alternative that you can actually make use of to create talking avatars that looks exactly like this. So guys, you want to simply work with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. And this tool I'm going to show you right here is this tool called CapCut. So you want to simply go onto CapCut.com, and with CapCut you can easily create clips to you can easily just generate videos right here by making use of our clips to video, script to video, long videos to shorts, products URL to ads, and many more. We also have a lot of tools right here that you can also try out on CapCut. So guys, you want to go on to Magic Tools, and once you're right here guys on Magic Tools, if you simply scroll down onto Create with AI, you want to simply go onto AI characters, whereby you tap on have AI characters speak in videos. So you simply just tap on this and it's going to take you right onto this page. Once you're right here guys on this page, the first thing guys you want to do, you want to select your AI avatars. Now there are a lot of avatars right here that you can easily select from, so you can decide to pick any of this and make use of that particular avatar. So right here guys, you can decide to make use of this particular avatar, and it's just going to load up right here within a few seconds. So guys, once you're done selecting your avatar, the next thing you want to go into this ratio aspect and simply just select the aspect ratio for your video. So I want to make use of this YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16:9, and simply just adjust my picture a bit. So once you're done, I can decide to just simply just make this big, and this is it. So the next thing you want to do, simply tap on the avatar right here and go right here. You see this option here that says AI characters. And right here guys, this is the appearance. You can easily make use of the frame. We have the full body, half body, close up, circle frame, and many more, but I'm going to make use of full body right here. Then the next, you put in your narration. So right here, you scroll down, you add in your narration right here, and decide to just add in a text, and decide to paste this to be my text. So once you're done, the next thing is to simply select the speaker. I have a lot of speaker right here. You can decide to make use of this. Click on to apply to all and go on to apply. And as you can see, it's generating your speech, and within a few seconds this will be done. Right here guys, you have been able to apply our voiceover. So you can easily just go on to the basic right here. You can increase the volume and everything of this right here. So once we're done, we simply do not want to make use of this particular background, so you can easily upload and the background you needed for your talking avatar. So if I simply go into the media section and I want to simply just make use of this particular background, I can just tap on this. Then right here, I'm just going to drag and drop this and this right here. So let's simply make use of this, and guys, this is amazing. So you can adjust your background image, and this is it. So this is my background. I can decide to just adjust this, drag right here, and this is it guys. So we have been able to create our AI talking avatar. So let's simply play this. So guys, this is how it actually looks like. Now you can easily just go right onto the export button and export this particular video right into your device. So this is how you can actually create an AI talking avatar that looks exactly like this right here by simply making use of this tool called CapCut.com.